Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the system information on your Mac. So if you want to view the devices, the hardware and the peripherals and all other devices and the hardware system information, for that what you can do is you can go to this Apple logo here and you can see here about this Mac. So instead of this, what you need to do is you need to simply key press the options which will display the system information as a menu, and then you can just choose that, which will open up the system information menu. Now if you do not know how to open this, you can choose the other option where you can just go and select this about this Mac and then choose more info. And if you scroll at the bottom, you would be able to see the system report again, which will open the same system information screen. And here you have all the information like hardware, network, software and other information that you required about your device. So if you want to check what storage you have right now, so you can just simply select the storage and it will give you the volume names and what is the total storage which is currently free and currently available and all other information. Similarly, you can go to Wi-Fi and it will give you the list of the Wi-Fi information, the address and everything, and all the connected Wi-Fi and available Wi-Fis that you can see around. Now under the software, you would be able to see what all extensions that are connected and fonts that are being installed. So all this information will be available here under the software section. So this way you can check all the system information about your Mac at a detailed level. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.